problem is that this Congress government, Revant Reddy's government, they have come to our university without informing us, and they have come in the center of university, our lands, the forest area, and they've tried to bulldoze it with 50 bulldozers without anyone's information. They have chosen these 3 days, the holidays, Sunday, Ramzan, and tomorrow also for doing this doing such a bad thing. That's our problem. This land comes under university land. We have 2,300 acres of land, which was granted by Indira Gandhi to our first vice chancellor. And throughout all the governments, whether it is TRS, whether it's BRS, they have never touched this land. But this Congress government, they think that the audacity with which they have come inside, we have to resist them.
Yesterday also protested.
Yesterday also we did that protest because uh, they bring 10 to 15 bulldozers, but in the night they have increased the bulldozers. Now it's more than 50 bulldozers that's still working inside the university. The tree still working. The trees are getting destroyed. There are animals living inside. Deers are there. Peacocks are there. Yesterday all night also they started working, and you could listen the screams of peacocks. You could listen the screams of all the animals. So that's a big problem.
So, end of the day, what is the suggestions for your government?
Our suggestion is why you are doing this. This is an attack on institution. This is an attack on education. We know this much land requires, university requires this much land. You go to any other university, you go to Oxford, you go to any international university, they have 5,000 of acres land, they have 7,000 acres of land. This is just 2,300 acres of land. Universities require such kind of land to flourish. You can't say that we are not utilizing this land. We are utilizing this land. University has 60% of land which is forest land. This land is known to give, it's known for the lumps of Hyderabad. It gives fresh oxygen to Hyderabad. And you are going, and in the name of development, you are destroying all these trees, destroying all this habitat of animals. Shame. Shame on the Congress government. Shame on Revant Reddy. He will get the repercussion. He has taken a fight. He thinks the student can't do anything. He don't know the history of this university. He don't know we all are warriors here. We will fight back. This is university land. I have to accept. We don't have proper papers. No one thought that any government will claim this land as their own. We accept we don't have proper papers. Our vice chancellor, our previous vice chancellor, kind of become reluctant to do that thing. But no one has dared to do this thing what Reddy is now doing. They think they can easily get away with that. That's not gonna happen.